Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to fix apps not installing onto your iPad. So the first fix is just restarting the iPad and seeing if that will solve the issue. So I want you to open up settings, then find general, scroll down until you see shutdown, tap on this one, and then you just want to slide the power off right here. Once the iPad is turned off, give it 5 seconds, hold down the power button until you see the Apple logo, and that will restart the iPad. So once the iPad is restarted, try to re-download your applications. If that's fixed the issue, you're good to go. If it hasn't, let's go through some other fixes. So the next one is go to settings, general, and then find about. And you can see right here, under available, you can see I have 23 gigabytes available. Now, when you download an application from the App Store, let's say the app is 8 gig, you usually need around 50% to 100% extra storage, so 12 to 16 gig when the app is only 8 gig. And the main reason why is because how it works is it's going to download the files, then it needs to extract the files and then install them onto your device, and usually that requires extra storage. Therefore, make sure you do have enough storage available for the application you're trying to download. If you don't, or if you're not sure, just go to iPad storage here, and all you want to do, as you see, offload unused apps. You can tap on enable here to offload apps. This may cause issues, I'll talk about that, but if you just tap on enable on this will offload all the applications, and what this will do is it will mean that the application is still on your home screen, however all the main files are downloaded. That will help save space. You can also outright delete applications here, games if you want to, and you can also go to photos and delete some photos or videos as well. So just try if that works. If it doesn't work, well, here's the next fix. So offloaded applications can actually cause issues. So I can't actually see any offloaded apps on my home screen. However, let's say here Mobile Legends was offloaded and then I wanted to re-download it. Sometimes the download will just fail. So what we need to do is just delete that offloaded application, go back into the App Store, re-download it, and see if that fixes the issue. If it is, you'll be good to go. Another thing to note is if you download an app and it crashes on launch, that isn't necessarily, the App Store failing, the App Store downloading. That is an issue with the app itself. Now, you may be like, let's say Snapchat's crashing. Hold up, but isn't Snapchat meant to work? Well, sometimes, Apple, Snapchat, all these applications will use APIs from other services, and sometimes those will stop working. When those stop working, sometimes the app will just crash. So there was a situation where Spotify, Snapchat, all these applications would crash on launch because they used API from Facebook. So just keep that in mind. If the apps are crashing, you just want to check their Twitter page. They will usually tweet about the issue and then tweet when they're fixed. When this is fixed, you can just open up the application and enjoy it, no issues. Now, finally, if you're downloading an application from a third-party app store and it's failing to download, you can see AppKick unable to install. The reason why is because Apple blocks these third-party app stores. They use a loophole in the enterprise program in order to let you, siloed applications, and that means that the applications will fail if Apple patches it. So if you're trying to download apps from third-party app stores and they're failing to install, just go onto the Twitter account of that third-party app store, and when the apps are working again, when they go around Apple's blocks, they will usually tweet, and then when they tweet, you can just re-download your applications, no issues. So that's everything to it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.